If you are an Arc Raiders fan and if you are getting an error that online services are currently unavailable, and if you receive an error code such as what you see on the screen right now or similar, then it's sure that these errors are frustrating because your local internet can look fine, other games works fine, and simple restarts often do nothing. So the problem usually sits somewhere between your system clock, your IP address, and the Embark authentication service. So how you can fix it? You must know what is going on and I'll show you how you can fix it. Now to start with the solution, you have to first check a wide arc riders outrage first. Before changing settings or calling your ISP, it's worth checking whether this is a broadband backend issue. That's a common thing which you have to do before you get into any other fixes. You can check with the friends or different ISP or platform, check whether if they too are facing the same issue. So let's start with the first one. The first method is to sync your Windows clock and time zone. As you all know that Arc Riders authentication checks are time sensitive. If Windows thinks it is different time than Embark servers, authentication can silently fail and surface a online service unavailable. For that, you have to go to the start from there, go to the Windows settings, and now from here, go to time and language, and here click on date and time. Make sure that you enable the switch that is set time automatically. Now you have to wait for a few seconds, then launch ARC riders again. If it still fails, what you have to do next is to turn off this, and then you have to pick your real region and press the button to sync time with the internet. Also make sure that if that feature is available in your version of Windows, just click on language and region. From here, select the region, change your region to region from where you are playing, and after that just go and click on sync now. Now once that is done, you have to try launching the game again and see if that persists, that error persists. Now the next method is to reset your IP and DNS on Windows. So first you have to do is to power down your modem or router, leave it for at least 5 minutes, then reboot your PC and try Arc Rider again. If resetting the router does not change anything, renew your local address and DNS cache. So for that, open the command prompt as an administrator. Just go to start, just type in cmd and run it as an administrator. Now you have to run these three commands, that is ipconfig space slash release, next ipconfig space slash renew. Now again ipconfig space flush DNS. That's it. Now you have to restart your PC, then try to launch Arc again. Now the next step is to change the DNS. That means to switch to a public DNS in your active network adapter IP settings. Now for that, you have to go to the settings. From here, just go to network and internet, DNS, just click on DNS server assignment, then click on edit, then change this to manual, DNS settings to manual, then select the network adapters IP settings, that is either it will be IPv4 or IPv6, then click on Now set the DNS to either Google, that is 8.8.8.8. This is the DNS to Google. Now enter alternative DNS, that is 8.8.4.4. Then click on save. Now you can see that your preferred DNS is being changed. And if a new IP instantly solves the error, then the both ARC riders and the finals works again. Now the next solution is to fix the general connection issues on PC. If you feel the whole connection to the ARC riders feels unstable, or if you are frequently dropped during the match making, use Embark's network checklist to clean up your link. So in that case, I preferred a wired Ethernet connection over a Wi-Fi wherever possible. And if you want to use a Wi-Fi, make sure that it is more closer to the access point and avoid heavy background downloads at the same network. Now the next thing you can do is to open the Windows settings and then go to network troubleshooters. It will be under the network and internet. And here just go to advanced network settings. Now go to network reset and then click on reset now. Once the reset is done, your PC will be restarted, and check if the issue persists or not. Now the last thing you can do with the PC is that to verify ARC riders, game files and anti-cheat. Sometimes the online error is the final symptom of a broken client rather than a pure network problem. In that case, you have to open the Steam and follow the steps what you see on the screen right now. Now if you have the same problem with the PlayStation or with the Xbox, the same thing you have to do, check your Xbox time and region and correct it. Also check your DNS and network on PS5. Working through clock syncs, IP and DNS refresh, simple file checks and account linking covers the vast majority of local problems. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.